At the end of the day, it's all about making choices that are in line with the things that you really want and desire. So here are 5 practical strategies that you can take to help you while you're replacing negative habits with positive habits. Hi, and welcome back to RHCG Motivation. I'm going to be sharing today 5 strategies that can help you break free of destructive habits and experience positive change in your life on a regular basis. So it's all about understanding the magic of habit replacement and how it can totally reshape your life. So let's get right into it. So picture this: habits, those daily routines that shape our very lives. Some empower us while others just hold us back. But here's the kicker: the only way to break free from a destructive habit is to replace it with another one of a positive nature. And why? Because our brains love patterns, and when you replace a negative habit with a positive habit, it redirects that pattern to something positive. So you may have heard of the 21-day rule. That's the idea that it takes 21 days to form a new habit. So let's just get the record straight here. Research shows that habit formation varies from person to person, and it can take anywhere from 14 to 250 days to form and maintain a new habit in your life. Now, I know that you want this to happen right away, and I know that in this microwave society, you want it now. You want a new habit like yesterday, but it doesn't work like that. It takes time, so don't become discouraged if it does not happen right away. Be patient. Patience is the key. It will happen if you just take your time and keep working toward it. Now, here's a mind-blowing concept. Thought habits produce behavior habits. The way that you think influences the way that you do things on a day-to-day basis. Now, these behavior habits, these are the architects of the life you live today. So if you want a happier, more fulfilling life, you have to reshape your habits. It all begins with reshaping your habits, and that all begins by reshaping your thinking. So let's deep dive into why replacement is important, actually crucial for you. So imagine that you replace that big gulp that you get every day at lunchtime with a nice refreshing herbal tea, or even just a nice glass of water. By doing this, you're not just removing a negative habit, you're actually installing a new habit, a positive habit. This shift rewires your brain's reward system, and that will create sustainable change. Now, here's the beauty of it all. You can change your habits at any time in your life that you want to, because your brain is always more than able and ready to adapt. You see, every moment is an opportunity for you to create new habits and rewrite the story of your life. At the end of the day, it's all about making choices that are in line with the things that you really want and desire. So here are 5 practical strategies that you can take to help you while you're replacing negative habits with positive habits. First, identify your triggers. You want to recognize what triggers your destructive or negative habits and become aware of these triggers. And with awareness and patience, you can begin to remove those negative habits and replace them with positive habits. Second, start small. Don't overwhelm yourself. You see, make small steps that are sustainable steps for you. In other words, how do you eat an elephant? 1 bite at a time. 3, be consistent. Repetition is key. Consistency is what helps to solidify your new habit. And by the way, don't beat up on yourself if you should slip. Just get back up, hop back on the horse, and start again. Listen, if it were easy, everybody would be living lives filled with really good habits. But it's just not that way. 4, visualize success. Imagine the positive outcomes of your new habit. Imagine the positive outcomes of your new habit or habits. But first, you need to visualize or see yourself living your new habits. You need to see yourself walking daily in your new habits. You need to see yourself resisting that cigarette. You need to see yourself not losing it when you're involved in an argument. You need to also see yourself going to the gym to work out instead of just lounging around eating snacks that are bad for you. Number 5, celebrate your wins. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small it may be. Positive enforcement is its own powerful reward for making positive changes in your life. The more you change, the more you're going to want to change. Replacing self-destructive habits with positive, constructive habits, that's the game changer that you've been looking for. That's the game changer that you've been seeking. Remember that every habit change is a step toward creating the life that you really desire. So, embrace the power of choice. Tap into the power of change and watch your life start to transform right before your own eyes. If you found this video inspiring, leave us a comment below and tell us what you liked best. Also, hit that like button and share this with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. This is Richard, and I'll see you in the next video. But until that time, keep working on yourself. The work's hard, but it's worth it.